In this video, I'm going to be showing you some drills you can do at home if you're working towards a forwards or backwards walkover. The first drill is kicking up to handstand on a wall. Start in a lunge position, kick up to your handstand and really push through your shoulders. The next drill is a bridge stretch. It's really handy if you can do a bridge stretch for your walkovers. Really push the shoulders up and out and push through the hips. For drill 3 is TikToks. For this, you want to find a soft, elevated surface. A sofa is perfect. Again, start in your lunge position and kick up into a bridge on the sofa, and then push through your shoulders and kick off. For this, it's really important to keep pushing up for the shoulders. You don't want to let them sink down like this. Push up and really think about your shoulders pushing away from the sofa. The aim of this exercise is to eventually be able to do this but on the floor. To progress to that, try doing it off a lower surface. You can try piling up some cushions and then taking away a cushion once you're able to do that one with ease. Drill 3 is bridge stand-ups. Start from standing with your arms above your head. Lower yourself into a bridge. Really think about bending from the shoulders, the upper back, lower back and hips. Then you want to push your hips forwards and stand up, rolling up the spine, each vertebrae at a time. The head is the last thing to come up. Like we did with the TikToks, start on an elevated surface and work your way towards doing it on the ground. Once you've mastered bridge stand-ups and TikToks on the floor, you might want to try squatted walkovers. See if anybody in your household can squat like this. In the description below, we will post videos on how to spot a forwards and backwards walkover. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.